Okay, everyone. Last but not least, Belinda is also back to Spelkollektivet. And last time she has been working on tower defense poker, and she's gonna tell you about that and her new game she's working on. So yes.
Hello, I'm Belinda, and today I would like to introduce you to my Post-Mortem for Poker TD and show you my game Stem Fence. For those of you who don't know me and Poker TD yet, here's a short review of the development of Poker TD. The first version I have developed for the Kenry Jam last year in August. At the Game Jam, you were only allowed to use assets from Kenry.nl, and you had 48 hours to develop a game with the theme Unlikely Combinations. A short time before the Game Jam, I played the Warcraft custom map Poker TD with friends at a LAN party. One friend is also watching. Some friends were crazy about the game and wanted me to develop it for them. So the idea for the Game Jam was born. The first version was super simple. At the beginning of each wave, Warcraft Poker TD fun map. At the beginning of each wave, you get 5 cards, and you can exchange up to 5 cards. Depending on how good the poker hand is, the tower gets better or worse. After the tower is placed on the map, the wave starts. For the player, there was only the possibility to exchange cards and choose where the tower is placed. Nevertheless, after the Game Jam, people played my game almost every day on itch.io. After my game was published for about a month, according to Unity Analytics, suddenly hundreds of people played Poker TD every day. But on itch.io there was nothing to see. After a short research, I found out that my game was stolen and could now be played on several other sites.
Congrats.
Since there were some people who liked the game to play the game, although it was extremely simple at that version at that time, I developed the game further. The following version I developed mainly during the time I was here at Spelkollektivet last October. My goal was to publish Poker TD for Android in the Play Store and for iOS in the App Store. So I added a lot of new features to the game and gave the player much more possibilities to influence the course of the game. At the end of October, I published Poker TD for Android in the Play Store, and in the middle of November, I published Poker TD in the App Store. In December, I released a smaller update on both platforms. So, how did the marketing for the game go? I did very little marketing for the game. In total, there were about 12 posts on Facebook, of which I shared a few in larger groups. About 9 posts on Twitter and about 4 posts on Instagram. Additionally, I post some devlogs on itch.io and 1 post on Reddit. So I didn't put much time into marketing. Now the question is how did the game run after overall? So here on the charts you can see the downloads per month. Once in the Play Store for Android and once in the App Store for iOS. In total, I have 368 downloads in the Play Store and 122 downloads in the App Store. On Android, the game runs much better. Poker TD is shown to more players in the Play Store than in the App Store. About the monetization, I monetized with rewarded ads. That means if a player doesn't want to see an ad, he doesn't have to. Players can watch ads for cheaty items that allow them to manipulate their poker hand. That's all I have implemented, although there are still many good ways to monetize the game. Unfortunately, I couldn't create a chart for the whole time the game is out, but here you can see the advertising revenue of the last 90 days. And in total, I earned $63.32. So I'm rich. Not.
Just enough to buy another game.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.